Hi, I have a relatively quick but important lesson today uh, here on the Traffic Stop channel, and this is about the importance of joining new lists right away. Because a lot of people, they just don't seem to get this. Okay, so I'm going to give you a very vivid example today of why it's important to join a new list right away. No waiting. You don't wait. You join right away and you start running ads. This is very important. Why is it important? Because let's have a look at Zodiac Mailer that happens to have it's a site-wide website statistics. Not my account only. This is site-wide statistics. Verified users 86, so it's a newer list. What's important to look at is the email click-through rate, 26.6%. That's huge. If you look elsewhere on the site, you'd find that mine is 19%, but it's in the ballpark. Mine's 19-20. This is 26 average overall, and it's in the ballpark. The point is this: whether it be 19, 20, 26, that is hard to get, and you won't get that with an older list. Even with the absolute best ones, which are probably going to be, Viral Mailer for you is probably the absolute best for an established list that's been around a long time. But one of the reasons for that is he cleans his list, and he doesn't count those that, are totally inactive or have been active a certain amount of time or whatever. They don't get counted. Although it's still a good click-through rate, nonetheless. But even that site is just not going to do a 26.6. This is not something special about Zodiac Mailer. This is a lesson on the higher click-through rates you get with a new list. So you'll see me all the time talking about a new list. Okay, and so, what I've seen for years is people, they just don't join. I mean, like, what are y'all doing? How many times do I have to teach this lesson to people? This is what you want, a huge click-through rate. This is what you want. If you're going to do internet marketing, you need to strike when the iron is hot on a new list. You don't wait. You join immediately. That's what you do. You don't wait around until the click-through rate goes down. It's just not smart. So what you need to do is, for a site like this, you need to join right away. This one's been going for a while now, a couple months or so, or something like that. But since it's re-released, but it's still hot. Okay, it has a higher click-through rate. So this is when you want to get in. So one of your primary goals, one of your primary activities or methods is going to be joining new lists and getting in with the hot traffic immediately. Try to remember this. It's a new list. You should be jumping to join that list and start running your free ads. And yes, free ads, because they usually offer free ads. Right here, WB Zodiac, 1,000 mailing credits. If you haven't joined this list yet, you join it. Here you go, WB Zodiac. Get your free traffic right here. This link here is in the description, so check the description. Join it. WB Zodiac. Okay. Go to voucher. WB Zodiac. See, I actually did it in May. I don't know the exact date that Zodiac Mailer was re-released, but I'm joining them quickly. So it looks like it was last month. I don't remember off the top of my head. I thought it might be two. It looks like it's probably last month when this was released again. because I redeemed it on 19 May. Okay? So try to understand this. You are not going to continuously get forever these kind of click-through rates. So you're going to get more traffic if you get in early. That's just the way it works. And so this idea of waiting around or going, I don't need... What is this idea of thinking you don't need more traffic? Yes, you need more traffic. Yes, every time a new list comes out, join it. Yes, every time a new list comes out, redeem the promo code. Yes, every time a new list comes out, use the credits to send out ads. Because somebody else is going to get this if you ain't getting it. Okay, that's the way it works. A new list comes out, join it. Don't think about it, just do it if you're an internet marketer. Okay, so WB Zodiac is today's. If you didn't join it yet, here you go. That's today's. Again, internet marketing is all about traffic. Almost all about traffic. I mean, you have to have a decent offer, but presuming you have a decent offer, the rest is really just traffic. That's what it is. And how do you get lots of free traffic? By joining new lists. I mean, you don't even have to upgrade in almost any of these. If I recommend an upgrade, I'll tell you if I recommend an upgrade. I don't always. I'm not telling you to upgrade in this one. I'm telling you to get some free traffic. So if you're turning that down, you're just not serious. So can we get serious? I mean, like, if you're going to be involved in something, you need to get serious. And that means joining new lists for free traffic. It's not rocket science. It's pretty easy. That's the lesson. See you in the next email. Hopefully you remember this lesson.